Hi, Dr. T right here at Evergreen Factor in Lake Oswego, Oregon. And then I just want to show you this. I don't know if you guys ever hear about this or saw this. These are called VEMI beds. Those are vibroacoustic, electromagnetic, infrared beds. Basically what they do, they create a sound that create a frequency that move your water in your body to the same speed or similar speed that when you were inside the womb of your mother. So basically it gives you that peace and stimulation of the vagal nerve to make you sleep. And then when you sleep in this bed, 1 hour equals 8 hours of sleep. So you can come right here, you can try this beautiful VEMI beds that also has some EMF shields, so all the electromagnetic frequencies are not going to touch you, and has some far infrared heat set to activate and actually detox your lymphatic system. So they are fantastic. 30 minutes, an hour while you're doing an IV therapy. It's going to be great for you. And then, yes, try them. You're going to like them. I approve them. Have a good night.